Hello, my name is Jason Mercer. I'm the Toronto Real Estate Board's Senior Manager of Market Analysis. So with the first quarter of 2014 in the books, I'd like to take this opportunity to go back and look at how the commercial market performed during the first 3 months of the year. And let's start off with leasing first. We saw over 4.5 million square feet of total lease space through the Toronto MLS system during the first 3 months of 2014. So that included industrial, commercial, retail, and office properties. And this result was up by about 3.5% in comparison to about 4.3 million square feet of space transacted during the same period in 2013. Now, growth in lease space was driven by the commercial, retail, and office segments of the market, whereas for industrial, we saw the amount of space leased down slightly in comparison to what we saw in 2013. Now, if we turn to price, we saw the growth in average lease rates mixed in the first quarter. So, for example, we saw the average commercial retail lease rate up to $20.35 on a per square foot net basis for transactions where pricing was disclosed. Whereas if we look at industrial and office, the lease rates were down to $5.16 and $12.30 respectively. Now the hope is that the positive result in the commercial leasing market in the first quarter of the year is pointing towards enhanced growth in the overall economy, both in the GTA and even Canada more broadly. So the thinking here is that businesses expecting their order books to increase as we move through 2014 will move to take on more space in order to help them produce more of the goods or services that they sell. Now let's turn to the sale of commercial properties. And so if we look at combined transactions for industrial, commercial retail, and office spaces, we saw that the number of deals were down in the first quarter of 2014 in comparison to 2013, where we had 197 deals this year versus 266 last year. Now on the pricing front, the results were mixed. We saw price growth on a per square foot basis for industrial and commercial retail properties, and this of course is for transactions where pricing was disclosed, whereas on the office side of the market, we saw the average price on a per square foot basis down. Now looking forward, the expectation is that the US economy will continue to expand this year, and obviously that'll be helpful to the Canadian export sector as demand should increase for goods produced in Canada for both export to the United States and indeed other parts around the world. Now, this could also prompt an increase in sales for industrial, commercial, retail, and office properties in the Greater Toronto Area and surrounding regions as well. And so with that said, that brings this summary to a close, but I do look forward to speaking with you again at the end of the second quarter, where I'll provide you another update on the commercial leasing and the commercial sale markets. Thank you very much.